Good morning. It is Wednesday, and today you are continuing with your work on Jim Crow, Then and Now, that assignment that you were given yesterday, that is due on Friday. And you are also going to be looking at political cartoons and choosing one to post to a Padlet for us. Let me show you what I'm talking about. First off, with the Jim Crow assignment, you know that today, if you look at the instructions in the center here, it says that you are supposed to work on the ones that are purple, and you choose 2 of the 3 boxes to do. And you record your thinking on your thought holder that is attached to Tuesday's work, okay? So one option is to do redlining, which relates to housing. Another option is to do Jackie Robinson. Now notice with both of these, you have 2 sources that you have to look at. So redlining has 2, and Jackie Robinson also has 2. And as always, you click on the picture to go out to the link. But you've also got this third option. If you don't want to do one of these 2 and you decide that you would like to explore something of your own, you may do that. So a question that you have related to Jim Crow that you would like to investigate, you are welcome to do that here. But it does say to link your source here. Oops, you can't link your source there. Yikes, you'll have to link it into your thought holder instead. Sorry, my bad. I forgot that I didn't make a copy of this one for you. All right, so just know that. Link your source to your thought holder if that is the option that you decide to choose. Okay, anyway, so you know that that's what you have to do there. But with this Padlet dealio, you might be wondering, well, what exactly is this about? So what I'm asking you to do is political cartoons are really interesting, and especially they're a way to kind of tell how people felt, or at least how some people felt, right? As shown in these cartoonists or these artists' work. And it's interesting to look at ones from the past and from the present. So your assignment just for today, the part for today, is you have the rights to go out and post to this Padlet. The way that you post is you go to the link that'll be in Google Classroom. And once you get to this, whether it's for period 4 or for period 5, they look exactly the same right now. It's just period number's different. You will click on this little icon over here, and it says double click anywhere, drag files, blah, blah. So you click on that little plus sign to create a post, okay? And then you can either upload a picture. You don't want to snap a selfie of yourself. You're not a political cartoon. But you can go here and you can go to upload if you wish, and so on. There's different things that you can do, but mainly upload is what you're going to do. So you might want to have a political cartoon in mind, download it to your computer device, whatever, share it somewhere, and then go ahead and upload it. All right, anywho, then you will need to go ahead and write about it. And the instructions are over here. So if you notice, you need to do a description where you describe what is shown in the cartoon. You can see my examples over here, okay? Then you need to share who the artist is and when it was created. Just the year is fine. You don't have to have the full date. And then you say what the cartoon is commenting on. What event or idea is it related to? Okay, so I have one that's more historic right here, and you can read what I've written here in my description. Okay, I've got A, B, and C. Sorry, A was a little long-winded. Or you've got example B over here. Okay, that was a little more concise, and then B and C. And you can also click on the cartoon to see it larger. Now, I chose this one because I thought it was interesting how it really does capture our lives right now with all of the Zooming that's going on and all the different Zoom meetings and all that kind of stuff. And if you ever put your Zoom meeting on Grid, you can see all the different faces and what people are doing, and it's really funny how a lot of these are just so true. But anyway, so that's why I chose it. Now that's on Wednesday. Thursday will be something a little different where you revisit this Padlet and you come back and you're going to look at what other students have posted, and you're going to comment on 2 of them. Okay, you're going to choose 2 political cartoons to comment on, and here's some suggestions for what you might say. Okay? All right, and then I look forward to us having our Zoom conversation. I wanted to mention that as well. I decided to make it on Thursday, and there will be 2 windows. that you can visit with me between. You can bring your notebook, okay? So you bring your notebook with all your stuff, you know? And you can decide that you want to check in with me between 9 and 11. Now, you're not staying the whole time, okay? You're busy, I'm busy too. No. You're going to stay for like 5-10 minutes, okay? So if you want to show up at 10:30, if 10:30 is like, I think that sounds like a great time, then you'll go ahead and you'll click on the link that I will have posted back here for you. Right before 9 a.m., I'll post a link there. And again, I'll post a link there just before 1 p.m. when the second session starts. So one session's between 9 and 11. The other session is between 1 and 3. Okay? And I'm looking forward to seeing you. We're just going to talk about your notebook. You're going to show me a couple of pages that I ask you for. And then you're going to talk about political cartoons and what you think about them and their significance and all that. Okay? Alrighty. Good luck.